The air cleaner is a foam-style filter. The air cleaner keeps debris out of the engine, where it can plug the carburetor and damage the cylinder and piston. The air cleaner should be inspected often and cleaned with soap and water as necessary. It should be replaced at least once per year. Replacing the air cleaner is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. And now I can remove the air filter. Now I can install the new filter. First, I need to apply oil to it. I'll place the filter into a bag, and I'm using just a little bit of 2-cycle mix oil. Doesn't take much. I'll work the oil into the filter inside of the bag. I want to coat the filter as evenly as possible. That looks pretty good. Now I'll use a rag to remove any excess. The filter should be coated but not saturated with the oil. And now it's ready to be installed back in the engine. I'll place the filter back into the housing. And reinstall the cover. And I'll secure the cover with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new air cleaner element in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.